As part of the Kubernetes environment setup, I have already installed VirtualBox on my machine. Now I will download a pre-configured Ubuntu virtual machine disk file from osboxes.org. VM images, VirtualBox images. Now go to Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, select the Ubuntu server. This is the lightweight operating system. I mean, what I meant by lightweight is it doesn't have GUI and other unnecessary applications. Just a plain command line version of Ubuntu. So the size also will be less for this. Now scroll down again. Let's pick the latest version 2504 VirtualBox 1. Still loading. Yeah, now the download started. Let it complete the download. I will pause the video till that time. Download completed. It took so much time actually. So which version we downloaded? 25.04. So let me create a new one. Machine new Ubuntu server 2504. When I type the machine name as Ubuntu, it automatically selected. So hardware I'll keep 2 GB RAM and 2 CPUs. Uh, 2 CPUs, maybe 4 GB RAM and 2 CPUs. Hard disk I will use the existing hard disk. Downloads 65 to 64-bit. This one. Choose this one and finish. And if I go to settings, storage, yeah, and audio is not required. Extra unnecessary loading. First is NAT adapter and another one is host only. I will be selecting. I will allow all. Display, system, yeah. Now let me turn it on. Don't show this message again. So when I click, it will enter the virtual machine, that keyboard access and all. The username is osboxes. Password is osboxes.org. When you are typing password, it won't show. It's done. And apt install -y open ssh -server. And let me install one more NAT tools. By default nano also will be there, but installing 2 and nano is there, 3 also there now. Vim not found, Vim also I will install. And so for IP config, instead IF config also will work now, because if I install NAT and tools, 2 ports, one is but if you see only one IP address is showing, ENP0S3, but I connected 2 adapters here. Host only is not visible. So I will create an adapter entry for that. So let me go to /etc/netplan ls. Okay, whichever YAML file is there, just open that. Okay, it is opening in read-only mode, because I don't have admin rights here, so that's why I'll run with the sudo command, sudo nano in this one. And before that, let me see the adapters. ENP0S8, the second adapter is showing down. IF config won't show the output. It's only the opened adapter it is showing. But now with IPAS, it will show the down adapters also. So ENP0S8, it is showing down. So let me open the YAML file and add an entry for this one also. ENP0S8 DHCP 4 means IPv4 address. True. Let me keep in the same line as the above one. DHCP true or not, I can search. If I go to network settings, not here, I need to go to VirtualBox, File, Tools, Network. Yeah, it's DHCP server is enabled, so I can keep DHCP true. If DHCP server is not enabled, I need to keep false here and mention the IP address also. Yeah, now it is updated. Let me clear the screen. Now run the command sudo netplan apply. Now type IPAS. Yeah, now you are able to see the IP address, the second portion. Now IF config also show this adapter, ENP0S8. Yeah. So with DHCP server also it is available now. Now let me try to connect with SSH. SSH OS boxes at 68.113.5. Yes. Now I can log into this one, right? Now this OS boxes org, all these are looking like default names. What I will do is I will create one more user, called admin user. So let me create a new user, sudo for admin rights, add user, username I will keep admin user. It's asking for OS boxes permission credentials. New password for this admin user. I will keep password as password 123, password 123. Let get the default values for all this. Now this user is created. This is one more syntax. Sudo usermod -ag refers to whatever permission stays there to the existing user. Means if you already added to any groups, those should not be removed. To sudo group I am adding, which the current username, admin user. So he is added. Now this OS boxes is not necessary. I will remove that user. But before that, let me log off and connect to that root user first, and new user first. Password at 123, P capital I kept. Yeah, password 123, not password at 123. ls. Let me test sudo permissions. Sudo apt install -y nano. Oh, so if you are not admin user, I will get error saying you are not admin user. To check what are all groups this user added, groups, the username. You can type $user also. The default username and the sudo and the users group. This group. One group will be with the name of the user. So to shut down the machine, sudo shutdown now. Now the basic configuration is done. Now I will create a snapshot for this with SSH configured. I will keep and username admin user, password at not at 123, password 123 I kept. So if you go to snapshot details also, we can see that properties. Yeah.